How to play Silent Night in the style of Ludovico Einaudi, and how to apply his minimalistic approach, his creation of atmosphere and introspective sound to your improvisation. So, in this lesson we will discover 3 steps of applying the style of Ludovico Einaudi to Silent Night to improve your improvisation skills. First step, alternative chords. Second step, time signature and rhythm. Third step, emotive arpeggiations. So let's play the whole improvisation and then we will discover the 3 steps. Okay, let's stop here. Let's go to the first step, alternative chords. So, to add the emotions of Ludovico Einaudi's style to your improvisation, you should use some alternative chords, including minor chords. Let's use a C major for demonstration purpose. So we start with F major and A minor. Then we go to D minor and G major and A minor, C major, F major, D minor, C major, A minor, F major, D minor, C major, A minor, D minor, G major with a 7, A minor, C major, G7, and we finish with A minor. Okay, so very important to change the color by using of minor chords and major chords, combine them in a modern way. Let's go to step 2, time signature and rhythm. The Christmas song Silent Night was originally written in 6/8 time signature, but stretch it to provide space for the introspective colors of Ludovico Einaudi and change the rhythm of the melody like this. change the time signature sometimes to provide space for the arpeggiations and the melodies and the counterpoint melodies. Okay, let's go to the third step, emotive arpeggiations. But before we go to the third step, I have a gift for you. I summarized my improvisation experiences in a simple guide. I call it 4 Steps to Improvise Stunning Emotional Piano. You will find some important notes there on melodies and arpeggiations and how to combine them. You can download this guide for free. It's for you. You will find the link below in the description. It will help you very much to learn the language of piano improvisation. Okay, let's go to step 3. Emotive arpeggiations. So, have a look. We started with the F major. And please note, we modify the voicings of the F major chord from this to this. It's important for you to change the voicings during your improvisation and your arpeggiations to bring alive and variations. Or same for A minor or G major, D minor, or use some inversions. For example, D minor and then this. You can go through all of the 3 inversions during you run your arpeggiations. First inversion, second inversion, and third inversion. G, A minor, and C. That's very important. And add some tension notes to bring color and tension to your music. Like this. C major, but add the 7 or the 9 to the chord. This is a 9, this is a 7. Or let's go to A minor. This is a 9 of A minor, and combine it with the variations of inversions. Or D minor. Or G major with the 7, but add the 4 and combine the 4 with the 3. Sounds very nice. Once again. Again. So let's go to a further aspect of arpeggiations. You can add some arpeggiation tones to your right hand and add them to your melody notes. Have a look. But expand your playing of your right hand this way. Very colorful. at the left hand. Once again. Go to the D minor. Okay. Make a lesson for yourself, playing all the chords you know, and add the arpeggiation notes to your right hand and play the melody notes. Okay, let's stop here. Don't forget to download your free guide. This will help you to live the treasure of your musical gift which is in you. See you in the next lesson. Take care. I will talk to you soon.